took a wooden spool, cut it in half, got a table. Doesn't look level by eye, but it's level. I don't know if it's like an optical illusion or what. Stupid easy. It has 4 bolts, 18 millimeter. Loosen them up. Basically the guts fell out. Cut it in half with the saw. Finished product. Loosen these 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and then basically the thing just falls apart over there. Then I cut it right down in half, right down the middle, my little scroll saw, and then I put the 2 bolts back in there, and now I'm just gonna slide them in. Okay, it's really hard with one hand. There. Put it back in and then I'll tap it down. Once I have all the boards in, I'll tighten the bolts and that'll suck it in. I don't know how it's going to look though, since I cut one in half and compromised the stability of the hole. I'm guessing it's going to pinch, but I'll figure that out later.